us.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Hidden Valley neighborhood in Calgary, Alberta, a charming residential area known for its peaceful atmosphere and family-friendly environment. Hidden Valley is located in the northwest quadrant of Calgary, nestled between the Bow River and Nose Hill Park, offering residents easy access to natural green spaces and outdoor activities. The neighborhood was established in the late 20th century and has since grown into a vibrant community. This neighborhood is well connected to the rest of the city, with convenient access to major roads and public transportation, making it an ideal place for families and individuals seeking a balance between urban convenience and suburban comfort. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta. Thanks for watching.